Hey, what's up? It's Hailey.
I'm Kelia.
And today we are going to be trying out the Mineralist lipsticks. We're just going to play around and have some fun and try out these amazing colors. So here's the thing. Kelia is not, like, she's so naturally beautiful. She's so sun-kissed and tanned. And
I'm always in the ocean. So
always in the ocean. She's not a lipstick wearer by any means. I don't think I've ever seen a lipstick color on her in my life, which I actually think that you would kill a red lip. So where I'd like to begin is actually on the more neutral side because I think this lipstick is amazing. This color is Presence. I think that it's super hydrating, it's super rich and moisturizing.
Oh, I actually like this color.
Wow.
So I'm gonna go the actual opposite and go with this orange, and I'm not gonna put it on.
The joke's on you because I actually love this color for the summertime. This color is called Energy.
So the awesome thing about these lipsticks is that they have olive oil extract, so it boosts the color and keeps your lips very hydrated and keeps the color looking very rich.
And it comes in 25 shades, so there's so many to choose from.
Which we love.
This
but you know
color
what?
is called Wisdom. You can do it because I don't think I did a very good job before.
Let's go this.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
go.
Something I do love about this lipstick is that it's gluten-free and it's vegan. And it only has 19 ingredients, which is incredible because there's usually so many things put into makeup and lipsticks especially.
Go home, Hailey.
It's not bad, I'm just so not used to this. Like, you with hot pink lipstick on is really crazy. This is like real
You're really serious.
Power, bossy lady.
Yeah, let's show them what a good nude looks like on the Biebster.
This is a good pinky nude.
It is.
It's called Grace.
And this is called Integrity.
Okay, so I did say I wanted to see you in a red.
Let's do a red on you as well, but let's do more of like a pinky red, actually.
This is
a nice
called
color.
Courage.
This one's called Intuition. I love the names of these.
Same.
I'm loving this.
I knew it. I like this color a lot.
Okay, now I think we're really ready for like a date night, you and I.
You look so good with a red lip.
Well, I had fun doing this.
Me too. We had so much fun trying on all of these shades, and we hope that you guys will have as much fun as we did trying them out.
See ya!